first post wash on my new LeBeauty wig. She's done great. Very, very smooth, not a lot of frizziness. I will show my washing technique, but she's still super, super soft. I am starting to recurl her, and she took a curl better than pretty much all of my other wigs, which, because it's European hair, I wasn't sure how that was going to go. It just sometimes can be a little bit more difficult to curl silkier hair. Like, it doesn't want to hold it quite as long. So I'm going to try to angle this in such a way where I can show how I curl it and how well it takes that curl. This is going to be awesome to style and rewear post-wash. I'm super excited. Okay, so I did put heat protectant on, and I have this sectioned out. So I'm going to take this piece of hair, and this is my typical curling technique. I just use my flat iron, give it a bit of a twist, and you'll see how bouncy this comes out. Boop. And she's very silky, very smooth, very easy to restyle. We'll do one more, and then I'll just finish it up, and then I'll put her on at the end so you can see what she looks like. There we go. Looks great. Okay, so she is all done being styled. Took a curl better than most of my other wigs, so I may have to even tame the curls down. Now let's put her on. Okay. There we go. Okay, very, very curly. Let's brush it out. That's much better. And then again, if the curls are ever too much, you can take a hot comb and just tame them out. I'm gonna try to give a little bit of lift up here. So I like to pull it from the root. Now it does need some heat, so you gotta hold it just a little bit. And then, oh yeah. That's so nice, look at that. And then I'm gonna do the same thing to this side. Just gives that little bit of volume right there at the front. Oh yeah, okay. Now we're cooking. And then any of these little flyaway pieces, I like to use some wax. I have a couple different ones. Okay, this is my freshly washed LeBeauty wig. I think she's great. I'm gonna have to tame these curls down just a little bit. I was not expecting them to take quite so well. But look, the hair is really, really great and pretty, and I love that. But great post-wash, highly recommend. Fully customized wig. The cap is still my favorite cap ever. Fully hand-tied, and I love the way that this hair feels, the way that it moves. This one's a great one. So for anyone who is asking about the post-wash, it's a 2 thumbs up.